I approached Housing Contact to look at doing a pilot with outbound calling. We decided that we needed to look at how we could contact our tenants much more efficiently and more effectively, and with having more time to do that would mean that we could concentrate on higher end cases. So we approached Housing Contact, and what we found was we didn't have enough resources to deal with the success rate. So for us it was a problem we wanted. We were able to send a lot of data across to Housing Contact, and they essentially got the contact we need to speak to tenants about rent arrears, and it's been a success story from day one. I'd advise anybody that's looking to do a pilot to contact Housing Contact, because when you send that data over there, it's so efficient to getting the information to Housing Contact that the tenants all come back to you. Well, we had so many tenants come back to us. It's really interesting to see that tenants don't want to respond by letters anymore. Then people that don't or aren't paying the rent, you need to think of different ways how to contact them that is more efficient, both cost-wise and staff resource-wise, because the rent cuts have meant we've got to do more for less, and it's an over-exaggerated statement that we use all the time about doing more for less, but it's really happening and it's biting. So I can send a load of data across to John's team Monday morning, very, very simple, and within half an hour our phones are ringing off the hook with people that owe us money that we need to speak to, and that's the success. I can't do that. I'd have to have double the amount of staff dialing out, wasting lots of time. These people get back in touch with you through the phone system instantaneously at their choice. So you're speaking to people that want to speak to you, so the behaviour of those calls are changing as well, because they're electing to select to speak to you, so you're getting a different conversation. So it's been a massive success. We're looking at how we can take it wider across the group, we're looking at how we can make things more efficient across the group, and we're also looking at what things we could do differently and maybe build it into our computer system so it becomes much more automated instead of it being sat alone as a Housing Contact product. Maybe how we can intertwine it into our working systems already.